Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Kumar EduTech. Before classes, we are discuss digestion of carbohydrates and proteins. Now, today we will discuss about digestion of lipids. So, lipids, animals and plants contain plant food contain lipids. Animals and plant food contains lipids. These lipids are present in the form of fatty acids and oils. Fatty acids and oils. So these fats and oils are digested in the alimentary canal. Alimentary canal consists of different parts. So now these fats, they are lipids. Fats or lipids digested in the alimentary canal in different parts or in different places. Lipids or triglycerides. Glycerides or triglycerols. Lipids are digested into three fatty acids plus one glycerol molecule. So this process is called as digestion of lipids. So lipids contain triglycerides or triglyceraldehydes. So these triglycerides contain three fatty acid molecules plus one glycerol molecule. So total end product is one glycerol molecule and three fatty acid molecules. So these lipid digestion occurs in the alimentary canal. These lipids digestion occurs into alimentary canal. In first, lipids enters into the mouth region. Okay. Then daily we taken 100 to 150 grams of lipids. We taken 100 to 150 grams of lipids inside of the alimentary canal. Then lipids enters into the mouth region and mixed with saliva. So these process are in humans, but other higher organisms saliva cannot contain lipase. Lipase is a lipid digestive enzyme. These lipases occurs in humans. Humans contains three types of lipases. So first one lingual lipase. Second one gastric lipase, and third one intestinal lipase. So first one lingual lipase, gastric lipase and intestinal lipase. These three types of enzymes involved in the lipids digestion. So first, lipids or food enters into the mouth region. In human beings, food enters into the mouth region. Food contains proteins, lipids and carbohydrates. So in lipid digestion, lipids enters into the mouth region and mixed with saliva. Saliva contains lingual lipase. So these lingual lipase is inactive. These lingual lipase secreted by Ebner's glands. So these Ebner glands present in the dorsal part of the tongue region. Ebner glands are present. Ebner glands secretes lingual lipase. So it is a inactive form because of in mouth region base alkaline medium is occur. Alkaline medium, in alkaline medium lingual lipase is inactivate. So food along with saliva and lingual lipase. Food means bolus. Food means bolus. Bolus means salivary amylase. Food along with lingual lipase enters into the stomach region. So gastric walls or gastric mucosa secretes gastric lipase. So these gastric lipase active in the pH of 3 to 5. It is a acidic medium. So bolus plus lingual lipase enters into the stomach region, then gastric lipase and HCl is produced. These area converted into acidic. Then these HCl act in the lingual lipase as well as gastric lipase. So in this, lingual lipase is activated in the stomach region. Lingual lipase enters into the stomach region. HCl is produced. HCl converts lingual lipase inactivate to activate. Then gastric lipase also secretes gastric walls. Secretes gastric lipase. Gastric lipase also mixed to food material or food molecules. Then acid chyme and acidic lipase. So acidic lipase means lingual lipase plus gastric lipase combines to form acidic lipase. Gastric lipase and lingual lipase combine to form acidic lipase. Acidic lipase plus acid chyme enters into the intestine. So acid chyme plus and acidic lipase enters into the small intestine. Anterior part of the small intestine combines to liver. Liver secretes bile salts. So bile salts and pancreatic juices. Bile salts plus pancreatic juices in the form of acid chyme plus acidic lipases enters into the intestine, and also bile salts and pancreatic juices mixed to the food materials. So these all are enters into the small intestine. In this session, in this place, triglycerides converted into diglycerides. Triglycerides converted into diglycerides and diglycerides. Diglycerides converted into glycerol molecules, and also it's produced three fatty acid molecules. So end product of the digestion of lipids converted into three fatty acids plus one glycerol molecule. So this is a digestion of lipids. So in this, first three types of lipases are involved in the digestion of lipids: lingual lipase, gastric lipase and intestinal lipase. So intestinal lipase means intestine producing enzyme that is called intestinal lipase. Gastric lipase. First gastric lipase is lipid. Lipids converted into triglycerides. Triglycerides. And then next to intestinal triglycerides. Triglycerides converted into diglycerides. So this is a digestion of lipids.